Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will share with you an experiment with Rain-X. I just put some Rain-X in this bottle that has just a tiny hole on the top like a needle one. And I want to drop some Rain-X on my flip cup acrylic pour. I'm just layering primary colors and some white. When I do an experiments, I like to use primary colors because they mix together really nice. You don't get a lot of mud and some beautiful colors. And I'm reusing one of my scrape of canvases because for the experiments I like to do that. I will just pour a little white around where I will flip my cup because I was kind of afraid that I will not have enough paint. And today I used European Floetrol, Ovatrol Floetrol as my pouring medium. I mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And right away I did get quite a lot of cells without any additives. So when I stretch it out, maybe I should just leave it like it was, but I just did that with the thinking that I want to try how Rain-X will work if I drop some drops on it. So I just went on with it. It's an experiment, and with experiments, you need to experiment. So yeah, it was kind of a nice painting before. I will say I like it, but I still went on because I just want to play. It was one of those days. That's why I'm doing a voiceover, because it was just me and paint in my studio. Sometimes just want to play without talking in the real time. So yeah, I will drop some Rain-X here from up high, because if you drop from up high, your drops will spread a little bit and create some nice things. And because my camera angle was like that I didn't manage to capture how high. It's about 20 inches high probably, and even higher. I just experiment a little higher, a little lower, just to see what will happen. So yeah, and now I will stop talking. So don't forget to check the final result and tell me what you think about it. Oh, I will just did some finger dips on some parts to create some kind of a flower shape. So yeah, and now I will really stop. So here she is. Really weird one. I'm not using Floetrol a lot, and I don't know, maybe it's Floetrol, maybe it's just Rain-X that it doesn't work. Kind of cool for me, but some of the cells are nice. And here I did some finger dips for the flowers or the butterflies or whatever they are. Yeah, a fun experiment, but I don't know, it's kind of too busy to, I don't know, I just don't know. But sometimes, you know, it's good to share those kind of experiments too, just to show you. Maybe some of you will like it, and I don't know, it's kind of too busy for me. But anyway, this was the experiment for today, using Rain-X in acrylic pouring. I believe that I should mix my paints a little thinner, and maybe I don't know, tilt off a little more. But yeah, tell me what you think about this one. But I had fun, because I like fluid art, because I like to use some stuff and just see what will happen. And this is the example of that. So yeah, here you have it. Thanks for being here, and see you again. Bye!